Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Sylvia here again with another video on skincare. Today we're talking about affordable skincare for beginners. So if you're starting out skincare, it's kind of overwhelming because one, you're worried about your budget, two, you don't even know the kind of products that you want to buy, and three, you're just confused. I was confused when I started. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the skincare routine, steps you need to take, and also the products you need to buy, especially if you're within a budget. So the budget I'm using today is a 15,000 naira budget, and you can use most of these products for more than a month if you're resourceful and prudent. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you the steps on how to do your skincare routine, and the things you should use and how much this product costs. Okay, so let's get into this video. So the first thing we are getting into is face wash. So if you use, maybe your body soap is not, maybe you're using like a regular body soap, you want to use a different soap for your face, and the one I recommend is the T3 foaming face wash. This one is really good, and the price is 1,500 naira. You can use this product to wash your face both morning and night time. And it helps control your acne. That's if you have an acne prone skin. It's good for both oily, dry and sensitive skin, so you can use it, and it's affordable. It's 1,500 naira. If you get it from a supermarket, I would advise that if you're starting out, if you don't have the money to spend, try avoiding Instagram vendors for the now. They do have wide varieties of products, but delivery cost and the Instagram pricing thing, so you want to go to your local supermarket to get this product. They'll have it likely. Okay, so that's the face wash that I recommend for a beginner in starting out your routine. T3 face wash. Okay, so the next one is cleanser, your face cleanser. So there are a lot of options there, but the one I will recommend is the Skin Doctor face cleanser. There is the orange one and the green one. The green one is for sensitive skin, and then the orange one that's the papaya one, is for like light skinned. Basically, dark skin can use this as well. It's not a strong toning solution. It's just basically to remove the excess dirt on your skin, and if you have acne, oily skin, you want to do a double cleanse. Okay, that way after you wash your face, you use a cleanser to clean your face. So that is the beginning of your face routine. If you have dry, sensitive skin, you can stick with the face wash and skip the cleanser. Okay, so now that is that. Next thing is serum. So for serum, I would advise that you go for a vitamin C serum or any AHA retinol serums, but since you're a beginner, vitamin C serums are your best bet, and they are cheap, affordable serums that you can use. There's the Pine Meal one, the brightening one, and then there's Disa vitamin C. Dr. Rachel is rather on the high side, so it's 2,500, but since we are going on a budget, I would say let's go for the Pine Meal. It still does the same thing. It's 1,500, and I think Roshan should be 2,000. The Roshan one should be 2,000 naira. Okay, so that's that for serum. The reason why you need a serum is so that you can give your face a lot of hydration. After you're done cleansing, you want to give your face some moisture, and most of this vitamin C serum comes with hyaluronic acid or sometimes niacinamide. Depends on what they mix it with, but it's healthy for your skin and it helps brighten up your skin tone. Okay, so now let's go to moisturizers and treatments. So if you're having acne, maybe you're having serious pimples, or you're having sunburn, sun damage, you want your moisturizer to be tailored to a treatment. So for example, acne skin can go with Anisa Gold. Anisa Gold is a face cream that you use at night. Sometimes I do use it during the daytime when I'm not going out, so you can use it at night to control your acne. There's also another brand, the Pali Cosmetics, as well. You can use that as your face cream but that one is probably strictly for night because it leaves like a white cast on your face, and it works very well because that's what I use. Okay, and you can also use the Dr. Rachel soothing cream for daytime and nighttime as well. So your price range is between 1,500 to 2,500. Okay, so you can also get the goji berry. I use this one for my nighttime as well. This one I bought it for 1,700 at the trade fair market, but you can get basically from any supermarket or cosmetic store that sells authentic product around you. Okay, so these are your options. Anisa Gold for acne. If you're trying to do sunburn, you go for the goji berry. These moisturizers will treat and also leave your face moisturized. Okay, so you want to go within the 2,000 naira budget. Don't go over it, okay? Except if you have the money to splurge. All right, then let's go to the most important, which is the sunscreen. Now, if you're very active during the day, you want to make sure that you leave the house with your sunscreen on. Don't leave the house without it, because all of this routine that you're doing will be useless if you don't protect your skin against sun. I used to be that girl. I didn't care about my skincare. I didn't care about sunscreen. I would just, go out like nothing is happening. But right now, I can't even leave the house without the sunscreen, because the serums and everything I use, it feels like I'm burning up under the sun. So I have to use a sunscreen to protect my skin. And the one I would recommend is the My Choice one. This one is 1,500 naira. I got it in trade fair, so it'll be probably 2,000 as of now. I've been using one bottle, like one tube, since I got the sunscreen, so it lasts long. It's a big pack. Hold on, let me see if I can get it and show you. Okay, so this is it. This is the one. It's a 150 ml tube. Okay, so you can have, there are the ones from Disa, but you want to be sure about the white casts and all. So I'm going to do a video later on showing you trying out some other sunscreens, because this is the only one I've used, and this one doesn't leave a white cast on my face. It's a thick consistency. It's kind of it does dry matte, but once you start sweating, it lubricates back on your face and starts. It smells nice, by the way. So this one I got it for 1,500, but probably 2,000 in your local store, because I got it from trade fair. And make sure you leave the house with the sunscreen, because skincare will be nonsense if you cannot protect it from the sun. All right, let's go. So now we're going to bath. So if you're the kind of girl that likes bar soaps, you want to go for extract. You want to go for what's the name of this one? I think it's Anastasia. I used to use this soap. I can't remember the name. I would leave the picture here. So now let's get into bath and body. So for bath, you need two things to successfully bathe properly. You need a good soap and a good exfoliator, so that way you can scrub out all those blemishes and stuff, discoloration you have on your skin gradually. Okay, so for the exfoliation, I use the CareBeau papaya one. But the downside of this is that it kind of leaves me feeling really dry after I'm done bathing. So if you can try that one. If you have dry skin, don't use that. If you have maybe oily skin on your body, you can try it as well. And don't use it every day. You can use it once or twice in a week. The next one is the this body scrub. I think I've used this one before, but this one is also affordable and is raved about a lot on the skincare platform, so you can try this one as well. If you don't like bar soap, you want to go with then you have to up your budget, because good shower gels cost from like 2,000, some might be 1,500, but maybe in a smaller bottle 2,000 to like 4K. So I would recommend the Purest Glow. If you're light skinned or any skin in general, it will still work perfect for you. And which other shower gel? So it's basically extract I would not recommend you using dudu or shoe to bathe because it dries out the skin. For me though, it dries out the skin. But if you have like normal skin on your body, maybe you have normal skin or oily skin, you can use dudu or shoe. You can also use dudu or shoe on your face, but make sure you're moisturizing afterwards because it's good for like acne and all the stuff. So yeah, so that's for baths. There are other soap options here that you can use, but the ones I would recommend that are affordable is the extract, which is 700. You can use 2 bars in a month. Yeah, you can use 2 bars in a month. So then for body, for the lotion, I would recommend you go for the Nivea Natural Fairness. If you're light skinned, even dark skin can use it, because the time I used the Nivea Natural Fairness, it didn't really I didn't really see like drastic results, so any skin type can use that. Now let's talk about the steps on doing your skincare routine. So during the morning time, you want to first cleanse your face, and then once you're done cleansing, you want to go ahead and moisturize your skin. Use a serum. If you have a serum, that's the vitamin C serum. I recommend vitamin C during the day because vitamin C protects your skin from sun damage and all that stuff. But you can't use vitamin C without a sunscreen. If you use vitamin C serum without a sunscreen, you get burnt under the sun. So you need to pair these 2 ingredients together. So you cleanse, you moisturize, use your serum, hydrate, moisturize, and then sunscreen. So those are the 3-4 steps. You just need 3 steps if you're starting out: cleanse, moisturize, and sunscreen. Once you have this, you are good to go. Now for the evening time, you can then cleanse, probably exfoliate once or twice in a week, and then treat. Treatment is best at night, so you can use either your retinol product or any of your face cream, your acne and all that stuff. You treat and then you moisturize. So your treatment can be your moisturizer as well. So cleanse, exfoliate, and treat or moisturize. You don't need sunscreen at night. So 3 steps, keep it simple. Don't like the mistakes I made. I used to use like 6 products at once, and I didn't know what was doing the work, and I didn't know what was causing me like some reactions, because I was breaking out like a lot. So you want to limit your steps to like 3 when you're starting out, and then once you start discovering new products, you can then add them to your skincare routine. That way you're growing, you're building, you're finding out what is best for your skin, and you're exploring the skincare market, because it's a lot, guys. It's a lot. There's a lot of things, a lot of products that you are going to try out once you start skincare. So you're going to try some, ditch some, continue using some, discover new ones, and all that stuff. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I always reply. And before you leave, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, if there's anything you want to reach me for, especially for skincare, comment section, or follow me on Instagram at Silk. I also make videos, skincare videos there. You can learn a thing or 2 on my Instagram. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.